Tools for the day, doing some driveway clearing. I gotta get some saws cleaned up. Had one little mishap yesterday. One of the participants kind of got the hinge too thin on one side and ended up the tree had a lot of side weight. It set over and basically we had a change in the bar angle. It's a little bit crooked now. I think our chain's still okay. Just kind of warped the bar a little bit. Thought it might have been a link, but it didn't. So we'll clean this all up. See how she goes. One thing that makes it pretty nice is an inboard clutch. When this saw was hung in the tree, there's no way to get the power head off of the bar. If you have an inboard clutch, and some of the Husqvarna models do, but the 562 XP is external. But if it's an inboard, you can be able to take off your side cover, remove the power head off of the bar. That gives you the ability to save a lot of money should something happen. I was very lucky yesterday that when the tree went over, it just had the bar and didn't end up with the log hitting the power head. So all I had was just bar damage. Something for training, or if you had one of those, I guess you'd say, wood magnets going on to where you get pinched or hung in trees pretty often, the inboard clutch assembly can be quite an asset. And so for training, especially where you're dealing with new people, it's kind of nice to have the ability to take that power head off should somebody get stuck. Filter still looks pretty good. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you picked up something there. If nothing else, if you do, consider another saw, maybe an inboard clutch model. But we hope that you have a great day, and we hope to see you sometime along the ForestApps Road. Don't forget to subscribe and press that like button, and let us know by comment if you enjoy our videos and would like to see a certain topic or another episode. Also, we have a podcast series available on Google and Apple Podcasts and Spotify and Anchor Podcast, just about any place where you subscribe to podcast series. It's called Along the ForestApps Road, or you can simply search for Tim Ard. And check out our website too, www.forestapps.com. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. See you next time. Good sawing to you.